All right, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the new MLM Lead Pro Training Hub. Okay, so this is for MLM Lead Pro, and I'm going to talk about some special features that we've got here, such as dynamic, shareable, rebrandable features of this training hub that you'll be able to use. But this training hub includes the course and the training that I promised in the last video. All right, so that's on step 3, AI App Builder course. What is it? It's basically teaching you how you can build your own apps. All right, so basically, I have created half a dozen or plus, more than that, okay, in the last 6 months. Um, Software, apps, you name it. All right, and I've used ChatGPT to help me with it. All right, I don't have coding experience. I don't code. I'm not a programmer, but yet I have managed to create things like MLM Lead Pro. This entire system was created 100% using ChatGPT. All right, let me repeat that. This entire membership, rebrandable, viral, done for you system, membership system, was created entirely with ChatGPT, and I don't have any coding experience. And what's more, this was created in 3 weeks. Okay, the first version before launching, and I actually launched this on week 3. And actually, when I first started this, 1 week in, it was totally different. It was a really simple system. It was using JSON storage. It wasn't using a MySQL database system. Um, and I completely transitioned. I pivoted into something like this after the first week, and then it took me 2 weeks to create what you see here. Um, so, basically, just to give you a bird's eye, this system allows you to manage your leads, manage your signups. It's got a full-blown management system to support, my members, my team can support their lead management. It's got tracking, analytics, all features that would normally cost you separate, elsewhere. It's got a lead capture page system to allow you to create your own lead capture pages. Copy to clipboard, you can duplicate pages, you can create pages from scratch. You've got a little share code feature, share code library import. It's even got a search, but I haven't got that many share codes at the moment. But I've set it up like that with a pagination at the bottom. It's got tracking tools, so that you can set up the tracking and a tracking management. It can set your page as default. And your pages look nice. And they got a lot of customization. Okay, you can create your own style of page. Okay, with a lot of flexibility. You've got a little snippet manager that you can add in your own snippets into the WYSIWYG editor, or do your own thing. Little icons, whatever. Add your headline, choose your font set, choose your background. You can even upload your backgrounds. Mock-ups, you can upload some mock-ups if you want. You can choose your button, call to action, and color scheme, and also choose if you want to set up the exit pop-up, and if you do, it'll drop down and you can choose a little exit pop-up. That's integrated into another application that I created, and then click save. Anyway, so this course will not teach you what I did specifically, because I'm not going to give all that away, obviously, but it'll get you started in creating software from scratch. Even starting, in the first few modules, you'll learn how to do that kind of stuff. It'll show you how to get started, what you're going to need, certain prerequisites, but you're not paying for anything. That's the point, guys. You're creating software from scratch so that you don't have to actually pay a developer to do that. So this is powerful. Why am I giving this away for free? Well, honestly, I'm not giving everything away. Okay. And obviously I wouldn't, think about it, guys. Why would I? I'm giving you a lot. I'm giving huge value, but I'm not giving you how I created this system. But the truth is, from that course, you could actually create something like this potentially. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Creating something like this, although I'm not a programmer, I have had years of experience in um, systems. I wouldn't. Yeah, I can. I think I can safely say I'm a systems creator. Okay, I'm not a programmer, but I am a systems creator. I've created a lot of systems in the past. I know what's needed. However, I have been forced to use systems that already exist, pre-existing software that I have purchased. And then I have had the ability to be able to customize things like, WordPress plugins that I've purchased, and then customized it in the way I need. So I have technical ability. Okay, I understand how software work, but the good news is that with ChatGPT, which I'm going to teach you how to use, if you can articulate what you want in a simple way, okay, and what I mean by articulate, you need to be able to, you need to have the patience, you need to have the expectation that what ChatGPT is going to be able to do for you and create for you. You're not, you're thinking with ChatGPT is you're not just going to say, do this, do that, and then boom, it's going to do everything for you. You want to get passionate about this. You want to have that vision. You want to think, wow, what's possible here? Let's do this. ChatGPT is your partner. ChatGPT is the builder. You are the architect. Okay, so put yourself in your architect shoes and just say to ChatGPT, this is what I want. And the beauty of ChatGPT is that you have the app. I like to ramble. Okay, you're not going to get fancy copy paste AI text prompts. I'm not giving you copy and paste prompts. I'm not going to give you copy and paste scripts. I'm not going to give you a full-blown software. This is just going to get you to think, okay, wow, I've got some ideas here. I know what I'm going to do. This is powerful, whatever. You're welcome to ask me questions and I'm happy to answer, but I'm not going to spoon feed you. That's not the purpose of this course. I'm looking for leaders who are going to have the vision and take this where you want to take it. Boom. And you can create your own things. Okay. And that's exactly what this course is designed to do. There's only 6 videos, okay, training. They're not that long considering what you're going to be learning. Some of them, like lesson 5 is probably the hardest. It just sort of touches on MySQL databases. But if you've got a web hosting, you might be able to handle that anyway. You've probably done that kind of stuff. That's fine. But lesson 6 gives you a kind of a similar game plan of what we're creating membership systems in lesson 5, but lesson 6 can allow you to do the same, but with a sort of a more of an easy version, an easy method. All right, so bear that in mind. But yeah, what you're doing in the first few modules is pretty powerful, and anyone could follow that. In all honesty, and if you're getting stuck through the modules, you're probably because you're the kind of person that expects everything to be spoon-fed. So break away from that, okay? And just, the good news is that ChatGPT can help you. Okay, if you're getting stuck, just say, look, ChatGPT, I don't understand. I'm not a programmer. I need step-by-step, crystal clear guidance. All right, let's take a back step and say to ChatGPT, okay, no, I don't understand. I need better, clear guidance. Give it to me in step-by-step format. Okay, tell me where to copy, tell me where to paste, tell me where to put my code. But basically, in the first few steps, it's already just going to give you the code. Boom, put it into a text file, upload it onto a shared hosting account, okay, or even a free place where you found, a free hosting or whatever. But you're going to need to get set up, all right, with a hosting or whatever, and pay some money for a hosting, shared hosting or whatever. It's only going to cost you. I give you recommendations such as Bluehost, but anyway, I highly recommend you go through this. And also this tool is rebrandable. Okay, so it's got a nice little rebrander tool right down here, so you can rebrand this entire hub. Join under your sponsor into MLM Lead Pro. Put your name, your MLM Lead Pro username, and these images and graphics are shareable. So when they click here, they'll join you into MLM Lead Pro. So you're basically giving away a hub that with a lot of value, and it's branded to you. So you'll be able to see this in the back office of MLM Lead Pro. Go down to the bottom, go down here, and you'll be able to see it here, and you'll be able to access the training course. Okay, and the good news is that when you're logged in with your MLM Lead Pro info, you just need to be logged in. When you click here, it's already going to append your username and name at the end of the URL. So everything is going to be already branded to you. So, you can either use the tool here, but it's already going to be branded to you because, this is your link right here. Okay. So congratulations, you've been given access, and I was going to charge for this training, and I probably should. I know a lot of people, my developer friends and other people, are thinking I'm crazy to give this away, and they're right. And I'm not saying that as like hype. I'm honestly saying that because that's true. I was honestly, genuinely going to charge for this. Admittedly, I'm not giving everything away. And that's not because I'm being selfish or unkind. That's just simply saying that I don't think a lot of you would handle what the shit I went through in order to make this MLM Lead Pro. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. All right. Some of you are going to give up and are going to think this is not for me. Personally, I think anyone can do this. And certainly with the first few modules, you'll learn how to create something powerful, okay, that you could actually use right out of the box for your team. I'll show you how to create your own rebrander system. Okay, I think it's down to the fact that how much vision you have. Do you really need to do this? Are you actually a team leader? Do you have that motivation to push through? ChatGPT is not designed to do everything for you. It can do, if you can just say to ChatGPT, create emails for me, do this, do that, and it will do that for you. And yeah, first few models, you'll say to ChatGPT, create an application for me, create a software for me. Boom, it'll do it. If you've got something simple, it'll do it straight there. But with more complex stuff, you'll do it in phases. Okay. But the good news is if you don't understand how to articulate this, and just say to ChatGPT, if you don't know what to dictate to ChatGPT because you don't have the prompts or whatever, just say, I don't have any fancy prompts. I'm just going to tell you what I want. I want a rebrandable tool where, in the network marketing space, I want to be able to promote a business opportunity. This is the typical link that I have, and just paste your referral link to a program you've got, and you say the variable at the end of the URL, which is responsible for the ID or username for that particular share link, needs to be the variable that I use to allow me to rebrand. So I want you to create a landing page that is rebrandable, so that my team, when they come in, they can stick their username to the program that we're promoting at the end of the URL after the equals sign. And then I want my team to be able to rebrand it using their link. So any user ID at the end of the URL of the landing page that I create with you here needs to be able to rebrand, and the call to action button underneath the video element needs to go to whoever is rebranding that page. If you spoke to ChatGPT like that, it'll probably get what you want. It'll probably figure it out. It'll give you a first phase. Now, there are some other things that you could say, like the design styling, the branding, give it a logo or whatever. But if you go through the first few modules of the course, you'll totally get what I'm saying here. You'll understand how to articulate. You'll understand how to, do that. And once you figure that out, once you go through my first few lessons, you'll be able to work with ChatGPT. And if it doesn't quite get what you want in your first few goes, you'll get there. Trust me, you will get there. You'll figure it out. Okay. I also teach you how to create a calculator in this module. So, for example, in your network marketing opportunity, if you've got an income calculator so that you can show potential projections of your income tools, or compensation plan or whatever, you'll be able, ChatGPT will be able to create something like that for you. All right. So go through that training. Anyway, hope this was useful. Enjoy. See you in the next training, and bye for now.